Under My Roof lets you enter data directly into data entry fields from a receipt. This feature is available on the Mac, iPhone, and iPad when adding new items to your inventory, as well as editing existing items. For iPhone and iPad users, adding an item by first scanning a receipt and then using the recognized text on the receipt to fill in the fields speeds up data entry. To do this, tap and hold the Add Item button at the bottom of the item list and select Add from Receipt. This will bring up the document scanner. Once you are satisfied with the scan, tap the Save button, and Under My Roof will show the new item panel with the scanned receipt included. It will also try to fill in the purchase date and purchased from fields. When you select a field to edit, the Receipt button above the on-screen keyboard indicates receipt text can be used for the selected field. Tap it to select text from the receipt. Under My Roof highlights all the text it detected in the receipt. The Highlight Text button can be used to toggle these highlights off or on. Tap and hold where you wish to begin selecting text, drag your finger to the end of the area you wish to select, and lift it. Tap the Set button to set the field's value to the selected text. For date and currency fields, Under My Roof will automatically highlight any date or currency values it has found in the receipt. Tap or click on a highlighted value to set the field to that value. You can also add photos to your item entry by selecting the Photos tab at the top of the new item panel and tapping the Add from Camera or Add from Photo Library button. Tap the Done button when you're finished to add the item to your inventory. You can also set field values from a receipt when editing an existing item that already has a receipt, or when adding a new item from a receipt in the inbox, both of which you can also do on the Mac. On the Mac, the Receipt button appears on the lower left side of the data entry panel for supported fields. To select text on the Mac, click to begin the selection, and while still holding down the mouse button, drag the mouse cursor to the end of the area you wish to select and release the mouse button. Click the Set button to set the field's value to the selected text.